Welcome back to our channel. I want to tell you the basic things you need to know when you are running an installation in a solar system. First, after the connections of the panels coming down to the inverter, you should be able to know that you have to observe some certain rules to avoid being harmed or being affected by electrical spark. Before you connect any system, you should be able to put on your safety gadgets like the goggle, the safety boots, and your helmet. As you can see, what we did here can actually cause a blindness to any man that doesn't know how to take caution of this. So whenever you're running an installations, you always know that the battery will build up capacities, and whenever you are connecting it to the inverter, at the first time, there will be a bleed of that voltage that the spark will come out. Now we're able to connect this system, and as a professional engineer, you should take note of the first thing that happened in the system. Make sure that the connections are okay. You take the parameters, both the voltage, the current, the frequency of the system. But we have a device that can actually help you monitor all these things. And when you are using a system, always look at the screen as the interface that shows what you are doing. And after that, you adapt to what we call the protective device. As you can see, we have our surge, we have the voltage guide, and I have my circuit breaker. When you have put all these things together and start working in all these things, that will help you to make sure that your connections are properly done. Without this, you will always have a complaint of overvoltage or constant running down of the batteries. But when you have all these things on ground, the system is protected and the user is equally
Their casualties
protected.
have been
Don't
reported.
overload your system anywhere.